SMCI Stock Analysis, May 2026. Hello everyone. Super microcomputer stock, SMCI, is suddenly back in the spotlight after a massive post-earnings move that shocked the options market. But before that, and if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, Net New Universe, so you don't miss the upcoming videos. The stock surged hard after earnings, call option volume exploded, and now traders are asking the big question: is this the beginning of a major AI breakout move, or is this just another temporary AI hype rally before momentum fades? And more importantly, can SMCI really reclaim higher levels like $40, $50, or even the 52-week highs again? In this video, we're going to break down the earnings hype, the options activity, the technical setup, the risk factors, and whether this stock is actually worth buying at current levels. Let's get into it. SMCI reported earnings on May 5, 2026 after market close, and the stock reacted with a massive upside move immediately afterward. The stock surged roughly 20% to 25% from pre-earnings levels depending on the reference point traders use. That single move completely changed sentiment around the stock overnight. Suddenly, call option volume exploded, momentum traders rushed in, and short sellers started covering positions. Now the market is focused on the weekly options expiration for May 8th, and traders are wondering, can SMCI break and hold above the $35 level? That's important because the stock has not comfortably traded above those levels for a long time, and this is where things become interesting. After major earnings spikes like this, markets often begin slowing down because traders start locking in profits, market makers defend premium exposure, and implied volatility stays elevated. That means options become expensive very quickly. And if momentum slows even slightly, option premiums can collapse just as fast. So even though the excitement is very bullish right now, traders still need to stay cautious because post-earnings environments can become extremely volatile. But short-term hype is one thing. The bigger question is SMCI actually worth buying for the future? Long-term investment or AI speculation? To answer that question, we need to look at both fundamentals and technicals. From the fundamental side, the company's latest outlook appears strong. AI server demand continues growing rapidly, and SMCI sits directly inside the AI infrastructure build-out happening across the industry. When companies like Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and Google continue spending billions on AI data centers, SMCI benefits because they supply the infrastructure behind those systems. But we also cannot ignore the company's past concerns. There have been accounting questions, governance concerns, and skepticism surrounding company reporting in previous periods. So while the numbers currently look strong, some investors still remain cautious about fully trusting the long-term story. Now, technically speaking, the stock appears to have bounced aggressively from recent lows right before earnings, and that creates another important question. Is this simply AI hype, or is this the beginning of a real long-term turnaround? That answer depends entirely on your own risk tolerance. For investors looking to build wealth through AI exposure, this becomes a calculated bet on the future of AI infrastructure. And yes, it is still a bet, because in markets anything can happen, momentum can reverse, and hype can disappear quickly. That's why risk management matters. Some investors may feel more comfortable buying shares directly, while others may prefer longer-term leaps options 2 to 5 years out, if available. That approach can reduce short-term pressure while still allowing participation if the AI theme continues growing over time. Now let's talk about the levels that traders are watching next, because this is where things could become explosive. As of the close on May 6, 2026, SMCI finished around $34.66, but after-hours trading showed signs that momentum may already be slowing slightly. Right now, the key level everyone is watching is $35 mark. If SMCI can break and hold above that level with strong volume and continued AI sector momentum, the stock could potentially move toward $40 quickly, then possibly around $44.95. Followed by the low to mid $50 range, and eventually the 52-week highs near $62.36. And remember, SMCI does not move alone. The stock strongly reacts to NVIDIA, AMD, AI momentum, and Nasdaq sentiment overall. So if AI stocks continue running higher, SMCI could accelerate very quickly because it trades like a high beta AI momentum stock. But there's also the bearish side. If momentum fades, AI enthusiasm cools off, or broader markets weaken, SMCI could retrace aggressively and revisit recent lows much faster than many traders expect. In a worst-case scenario, traders may even start looking back toward the 52-week low area near $19.48. That's why highly volatile stocks like SMCI should always be approached carefully. A gradual entry and gradual exit strategy may often be safer than trying to perfectly time tops and bottoms. At the end of the day, SMCI is one of the most interesting AI-related momentum stocks in the market right now. The company sits directly inside the AI infrastructure boom, but it also carries high volatility, high speculation, and elevated risk. So whether this becomes a long-term AI winner or another temporary momentum spike will likely depend on continued AI demand, execution from management, and overall market conditions. For traders, momentum matters. For investors, risk management matters even more. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Net New Universe for daily videos like this. And don't forget to watch my daily pre-market intraday videos along with alerts, if any, found on my channel daily.